My name is Kevin Meehan, and I'm the president of Edge Technologies in St. Louis, Missouri. We are a machine tool company that's heavily involved in manufacturing, specifically automation solutions to CNC lathes and also coolant mist filtration systems. October is National Manufacturing Month. I think it's an opportune time to talk about what is modern manufacturing and also how do we inspire the next generation to want to get involved in manufacturing and make it their career. Today, I'd like to start with the subject of growth mindset. A growth mindset is a feeling that you can learn, you can develop yourself, and teach yourself new skills with hard work and dedication. A growth mindset is something that we really embrace at Edge Technologies. Our company has many examples of how I feel that we've been in the growth mindset. We have always pushed the envelope on tools to help us do a better job, and they have to be in a growth mindset to learn how to use the software and how to leverage it to its fullest ability. On the other side of our business, we're always trying to meet the needs of our customers. A good example is about 10 years ago when the sliding headstock lathe industry invented and developed their ability to use their machines without a guide bushing. Our company had to quickly evolve and come up with new and better ways of using magazine bar feeders to accommodate this new technology. A growth mindset is so important in manufacturing because we're constantly being challenged to use the technology out there that's available to us to improve our processes and to make ourselves more productive and to deliver better solutions and competitive pricing to our customers.